My name is Garrett Moore and I'm from California. I do detailing. I was doing internet searching and called a few places and I felt dinking was the best fit. First day was a lot of learning because it was all new. Towards the middle, I was very tired. I was using muscles that I haven't used during normal work. And now I'm getting more comfortable, and this is day 5 for me, but I feel more comfortable with the tools. I've learned a lot and I've gotten really comfortable. After leaving here, I plan on practicing more, obviously, and just keeping up practicing. And I do have one company that is going to use me on the side to assist in removing dents for cars that they're working on. Thank you, dinking.